Thanks for joining me for another session of Watch Me Trade the NQ on Tradovate. We are trading August 16th, 2022. We're doing the whole week starting the 15th. So 16th is Tuesday. Last session that we did start at 12:50, ended right before 1:30. So we'll fire this one up at 1:30. Actually, I think I need to do this at 1300. Yeah. So 1:30. So that's at 1:30, and we did 1,400 last time around. So that puts us at 57,000. We started Monday at 35,000. So we did 22,000 so far from Monday morning, a little bit Monday afternoon, and Tuesday morning, and just after lunch. So let's fire it up and see what happens here. So a quick little recap of where we were kind of at. Let's see. Let's zoom in. So we have 5 minute, 1 hour. Then these are tick charts over here on the right-hand side. On Friday, we had a little run up and then it went sideways. Monday, it went up and down a little bit here. So that's the 15th at open, which is somewhere here. I believe that's 9 o'clock. Yeah, this is 8 o'clock here. So somewhere in this candle is 8:30. And then it came down to 560-ish, then came up here to 670, went sideways overnight. Then this morning, it sold off, hit this momentum indicator right here, and then came back up. So we are right now just after 1:30. We hit the high for the day, which is 740. And looks like for the last 20 minutes, it's been going down. Let's see. If it's going down, where would it go to? Trying to figure out a good entry position for this. So on the 1 hour, 5 minute, 1 hour, small and big tick charts here. Looks like we started off the hour right here. Half an hour ago, went up and came down. So this could potentially be a good area to find some support. But what do we have here? We have long on the 1 hour, long momentum on the 1 hour, short on the tick up here. This one's kind of mixed. More long than it is short. Then same thing with this one here. So still inclined to think it's going to go up. Actually, I should have probably gotten in. We'll get in for one contract here. See if it continues to move up. It's probably not good just jumping in there, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll put in a would have been a good short spot up there. Okay, we want to exit up here somewhere. So it's building up some kind of base here. We're negative 120, $100. So what do we went long. Let's see if it runs up even somewhere close to us. I mean, it's good here that it found this. Oh, that's at 700. Just under 700. So let's see. So this guy is still momentum short, and we probably want to get out of this. Ooh, we got dinged a little bit. Might go down to here. Ooh, darn. That's no good. It's probably the bottom. So we're in for 3, 2. We're in for 2. Too short. Go, 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 go. Okay, maybe come down here. Take one off right there. Widen it a little bit. Where are you going? Are you going all the way down here to the opening range high? Let's see, how do we do? Did we? Yeah, we're still 100 on in the hole. But we're doing good with this one contract here right now. So we're positive for the day or for this session. Okay, a little more. It can take us out though. Okay, maybe it's going to flip around here. It's a pretty good move down. Wow. Should have kept that other contract. I say that a lot, don't I? So I'm thinking that's a good spot here for it to stop too. 630. And it took us out. So what I was thinking was with this steep of a sell off, it'll probably kind of go back up pretty quick too. So I didn't want that stop to be like too far laggy. And I moved the charts around a lot if you couldn't tell. So yeah, that was a solid sell off. Look at that thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles all going down. Okay, here, let's stick with it. Maybe think it's going to keep going down a little bit. We might have missed it while I was counting. It's a nice red candle. That's for sure. So big red candle here, Much smaller one here. When's this one? This one's got a minute left. It's approaching the low. We should have gotten in while we were here. Not a great place to enter right now. So momentum wise, short, 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 shortish. We'll kind of feel it out with one contract here at 641, if it even gets up there. A little bit lower. Tag it. Come back down. That might be a low. So it's forming some kind of level here. We might want to get out right away. Okay. So either now we're an overshoot of this level here, potentially, which is also opening range high from yesterday. We could be heading down to either of these two as well. So here we've got this thing slightly in profit, hoping that our single contract will keep on trucking. 400 in profit. Ooh, that's a nice rip down. Almost at the 50%. So 50% is just above 600. Keep going. I was thinking about adding another contract right there. Probably good that I didn't. And I just did. Let's do 2 by 2. Come on, go down. Go down and overshoot. Go down to about 600. It's definitely stalling over here. So what time is it? 1:45. Been 15 minutes in this so far. Yeah, it's going to take us out. That's okay. So we basically start over, find a new entry. Oh, that was good. We missed it. Here, we'll follow it down. Oh, I don't know how much more down it's got in it. It's really kind of pokey over here now. So we might want to get taken out here. Oops. Or it'll have a nice move down. Shorten it up a little bit. It's at the 50%. And we might. Ooh, keep going, keep going. Yeah, it'll get us here. Okay. So where are we at? We're about 850 here. That's pretty good. Or I can keep going. That's even better. Okay, we got 1800 on that. So right now we were looking at just an overshoot of the 50%. I mean, it could go all the way down here to 580. So we got out just above 600 as well. Oh, man. Yeah, look at that. Big push back up. It would have been nice to get that extra 15 points. A couple $100. Let's see. We can try to see if we can get in for one contract and participate if it keeps going down. Give back some of our profits if it doesn't. So if we look at this, a whole bunch of reds, a couple greens trying to push back up, a whole bunch more reds. They tried their darnest here to push it up 10 points. Got taken out right away. They tried again. So folks are buying in here, probably below because it's just below 600 maybe. Yeah, those 00 numbers are, people like those, I guess. We'll kind of stay out of it for now. Does it even want to go down to 560? It could. That's the low from earlier, the earlier candles from this morning. It's looking like it. Might have missed that. don't really want to buy here, but probably should have just to participate. Well, it'll take us out right away. Oh, we don't do that. So we're expecting a little bit more of a move down. We didn't get the best average in. Don't want to go any heavier, but or do we get out because it's given us a chance right now to get a little bit of profit? So we're in 2 contracts short. I just took one off. Down here, might get out of this other one too. It still wants to go down, I think. There's a battle going on between buyers and sellers. Here, let's see if we can get down here and we'll book profits. If it gets above that white line, we'll probably exit here. I do not like how this is working out. So the longer it sits here, the worse it's going to be. Could be a little overshoot of this, and I think we want to get out. Okay, we're out. Took a little bit of a hit on that last one. So 70% positive trades. Looks like we're maybe switching to long here in some fashion. Let's see, how do we do? How do we do? So we're at 1800. So 50% is right here. Could have a reaction here. We're at the 50% of this green. We're at the 50% of the opening range. These together really don't help us too much. Maybe long, but we formed a level here at just above 600. It could go down again. It had enough here. They drew a line in the sand. Yeah. I could talk about it all I want. Is if I don't get in a trade, it doesn't help me now, does it? A lot of wicks over here in this last, I don't know, 3 minutes. So kind of an equal battle here. The shorts pushed it down. The sellers pushed it down. The buyers pushing it back up here. Let's see if we have another incident here at 606-ish. Try to do a little bit of range trading over here. Where's our range box? So we broke out of the box there. That's not good. I don't feel good about this. Might just get out. Lots of times when you feel like you should get out, it's probably a good idea to actually do it instead of just talk about it. Probably give back some more profits here. Yeah, that dinged us a little bit. Let's see if it comes up here. Oh, that's a good spot to reverse too. Okay, let's do a better job of planning these. So this is a good short spot right here. And try not to FOMO into this. So we're in one contract. Short. Might not get that second one. Put in a really tight stop. Just get some profits on this. Almost at a break even. It might still. Oh, nice. I was going to say it might still go up, but I like that quick rip down. That's a good sign that it's going to keep ripping down. So we got a fairly tight stop, and it'll just go where it wants to go, rip back up, and then take us out. That's fine. Okay, looks like it might hit the top of the box. So you might be done here. So we're almost at that level that I created earlier. So we'll get around 250. I prefer it to just keep going down, and it took us out. That's fine. Let's see if it wicked up to us, and then yeah, that's good. Make sure there's no other trades out there. Okay, so we just got back what we lost a little bit ago. Okay, do we think it's going to keep going down? Should we short again over here? So we're a little high on this, probably. Yeah. Let's see, we're at 2 o'clock right now. So where was 2 o'clock? Right here. So we did a little run up at the top of the hour. I usually don't like to trade into 2 o'clock. I usually have very bad luck. Give back all my money that I earned earlier in the day. Oh, I bet it's going to keep going down now. So possibly this could be a good area right here, right around this box for it to come back up. Here, we'll try this. We missed this trade. Let's see, 35 minutes in. Actually, I'm going to call it here. So we did pretty good. Another 1800. We did 1800 in the past one, so that's 3600 in the last, in the one prior. Or I could just short it right here. It's like FOMOing into it. Now I'm going to call it here. So we did pretty good. So 30 minutes approximately. We did 1800. We had, not the best trading, but we did pretty good. 70% winning trades. We had 600 in losses and 2,500 in winning trades and profitable trades for 1843 after fees. So 1,800 is pretty darn good for half an hour. All right, folks, catch y'all in the next one. This is probably going to be the last one for the 16th, and we'll start off on the 17th next show. Or next, not show, next video. All right.